A monkey climbing up a greased pole ascends 10 meters and slips down 2 meters in alternate minutes. If the pole is 64 meters high, how long will it take him to reach the top? Now, the monkey is ascending 10 meters in the first minute. So we can say in the first minute, monkey is going plus 10, and in the second minute, it is slipping 2 meters. So we'll say minus 2. So we can say in 2 minutes, the monkey is climbing up 8 meters. Now, in such questions involving negative work or slipping, we have to find out the time required to reach the nearest multiple of the 2 minute total, which is less than the final target. So even if 64 is a multiple of 8, do not find out directly the time required for 64 meters. That will be wrong. So over here, we have to take the multiple of 8, which is less than 64. So that's why we take here 56. So as this is directly proportional and as this is happening alternate minutes, we can easily get by cross multiplication. So x value will be 56 into 2 divided by 8. So that's how we get 14 minutes. So now we know in 14 minutes, the monkey is climbing up 56 meters. Now we know that the monkey can go in 1 minute plus 10 meters. Now the target is 64, and in 14 minutes, monkey has already reached 56 meters. So now monkey has to travel only plus 8 meters. Okay, he doesn't require to travel the plus 10 meters. So again, this is directly proportional. So we can cross multiply and get the answer. Now, instead of writing this down in minutes, we'll write this down in seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So now if we cross multiply, here we get x is equal to 8 into 60 divided by 10. So you get 48. So now we know that the monkey requires 14 minutes and 48 seconds to climb up a 64-meter pole.